Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson on English words for daily use in life. Learning commonly used English words can help you communicate confidently in everyday situations. In this video, we'll cover essential words, their meanings, and examples of how to use them in sentences. Let's get started. Let's start with basic greetings and phrases for introductions. These words are simple but important for starting a conversation. Hello, a common greeting. Example, hello, how are you? Hi, a casual way to greet someone. Example, hi, nice to meet you. Good morning/afternoon/evening, time-specific greetings. Example, good morning. Did you sleep well? Nice to meet you, a polite way to greet someone new. Example, it's nice to meet you. My name is Jade. Thank you, a word to show gratitude. Example, thank you for your help. Next, let's look at words to express how you feel. Happy, feeling good or pleased. Example, I'm happy to see you today. Excited, feeling enthusiastic. Example, I'm excited about the trip. Sad, feeling unhappy. Example, she was sad to say goodbye. Tired, feeling the need to rest. Example, I feel tired after a long day at work. Angry, feeling upset or mad. Example, he was angry about the delay. Asking questions is a great way to learn. Here are some important question words. What, used to ask about things. Example, what are you doing? Where, used to ask about places. Example, where is the bus stop? When, used to ask about time. Example, when is your birthday? Why, used to ask for reasons. Example, why are you late? If you're traveling or guiding someone, these words will come in handy. Left, opposite of right. Example, turn left at the next street. Right, opposite of left. Example, the restaurant is on the right. Straight, without turning. Example, go straight for 2 blocks. Near, close by. Example, the park is near the mall. Shopping is a common activity. Here are some words to know. Price, the cost of something. Example, what's the price of this shirt? Discount, a reduction in price. Example, is there a discount on these items? Receipt, proof of purchase. Example, can I have a receipt, please? These words are useful at restaurants or in the kitchen. Menu, a list of food items. Example, can I see the menu, please? Order, to request food or drinks. Example, I'd like to order a pizza. Delicious, tasting very good. Example, this soup is delicious. Bill, the total cost at a restaurant. Example, can you bring the bill, please? Chef, a person who cooks professionally. Example, the chef prepared an amazing dish. These words are common in work settings. Meeting, a gathering for discussion. Example, we have a meeting at 10 a.m. Deadline, the time by which a task must be completed. Example, the deadline is next Friday. Email, a digital message. Example, I'll send you an email with the details. Task, a piece of work to do. Example, I have a lot of tasks to finish today. Colleague, a person you work with. Example, my colleagues are very supportive. That's all for today's lesson on English words for daily use in life. Practice these words regularly, and you'll see a big improvement in your English communication skills.
I'm all ears. I could use some easy tips to get through my day without all the hassle.
Great! Let's start with something simple, keeping your home organized. For example, when you're tidying up your kitchen, instead of stuffing everything into random drawers, try using drawer dividers to keep everything in place. It makes it easier to find things quickly.
That's such a great idea. I'm always digging through drawers to find what I need. What else?
Another simple but life-changing hack is organizing your cleaning supplies. Keep everything in one easy-to-carry basket or container, so you don't have to search for products while cleaning. That way, you can clean more efficiently and save time.
That sounds like a game changer. What other simple hacks do you have for managing daily tasks?
Here's another great tip, meal prepping. Instead of scrambling to cook dinner every night, try preparing some meals in advance. You can cook large batches of food on the weekend and store them in containers to use during the week. This will save you time and reduce stress during the work week. A simple hack is to keep only the essentials on your desk. Use storage boxes or folders to keep things like papers, files, or office supplies in place. Also, invest in a good cable management system to avoid messy cords. Believe it or not, keeping your workspace clean can actually boost your focus and creativity.
I need to organize my desk. What else can I do to stay productive?
Here's a cool hack, use the Pomodoro technique. It's a time management method where you work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break of about 15 to 30 minutes. This will help you stay focused and prevent burnout.
Okay, I'm getting better at staying organized, but I've always struggled with making quick decisions, especially when it comes to shopping or planning.
Here's a hack for decision making, use the 2-minute rule. If a decision takes less than 2 minutes, do it right away. For bigger decisions, give yourself a clear deadline to make the choice, and stick to it. This will reduce the anxiety that often comes with decision making.
I've never thought about limiting choices. That makes sense. What about organizing my thoughts?
Mind mapping is a great way to do that. If you're feeling overwhelmed or trying to figure something out, write your main idea in the center of a page and branch out with related ideas. It helps you see things more clearly and makes problem solving easier.
Mind mapping. I'll have to try that. I can see how it would help with planning and organizing my thoughts.
There's one last hack I want to share with you today. It's all about improving your sleep quality. We all know how important sleep is for overall health, but many of us don't get enough of it.
Sleep is so important. What's your tip?
try establishing a bedtime routine. This could include turning off screens 30 minutes before bed, reading a book, or practicing relaxation exercises. Creating a calm environment can help you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling more refreshed.
I always scroll on my phone right before bed, and then I struggle to fall asleep. I'll definitely give the bedtime routine a try. Thanks for all these hacks, Sam. I can't wait to start implementing them into my daily routine.
You're welcome, Jade. I hope these tips help you save time and reduce stress. Remember, it's all about making small changes that add up over time.
Thanks for watching. Everyone, try out these hacks and see how they work for you. Stay organized, stay efficient, and we'll see you next time.